Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit. This kit comes with a colorful multi-page manual that has detailed instructions on each project. It also has some cutout template which you can cut and use it, and an introduction to breadboard. Then how to place the batteries. Batteries don't come with the kit. You need to get 3 AA batteries. Then there are some components already placed on the breadboard for your convenience. So explanations of those components. Then for each project there is a page that explains how to connect and how to test. Project 1, project 2, easy to follow instructions. Okay. And then we have the final servo motor based projects. Some are infrared sensor based projects, timed level cross, manual level cross, push switch based door, automatic door, and so on. Then automatic boom barrier. Then adding LEDs to this. Then finally we also have a circuit diagram just for your information. And then we also have a certificate at the back of the manual. Wish you all the best. Enjoy the kit.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.